type with you again, because a signal softly creeping left its code while I was sleeping, and the data that was planted in my brain still remains in the hum of circuits. In restless rooms I sit alone, bathed in light from plastic stone, scrolling lines of endless stories, chasing fleeting digital glories, and the echoes of 1,000 silent keys drift like breeze through the wired silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the screens their hands had made, and the service flashed out warnings in the night, but the words were lost in light, and the signals kept on streaming without meaning. Hear the whispers in the code, tiny truths in overload. Every click a quiet confession, every search a small obsession. Still we gather round the glow we can't explain, bound in chains to the sound of circuits. Log off, said a distant voice. You still have a human choice. But the message flickered faintly on the wire, drowned beneath the rising choir of machines that softly sing us into sleep. So I'll walk beyond the screen, find the spaces in between, where the wind and words are spoken, and the silence isn't broken, though the memory of the hum will still persist like a ghost in the sound of circuits.